Si usted no habla inglés, debe estudiarlo al servir como misionero, ya que será para usted una bendición en su misión y en el resto de su vida. El aprendizaje del inglés le permitirá ayudar a edificar el reino del Señor de formas adicionales y será una bendición para usted y para su familia. El estudio y memorización de vocabulario es sumamente importante. Estudiando temprano en el día es la mejor manera para recordar vocabulario con las intenciones de usarlo durante el día con su compañero. Usa tarjetas para ayudar a sí mismo a memorizar más rápido.
Si realmente desea asistir a las universidades presentadas en este programa, puede lograr ese objetivo de hábitos diarios de estudio continuo que incluye en su misión los requisitos. El capítulo 7 del nuevo Predicad mi Evangelio es específico en el requisito de que aquellos misioneros que utilicen esta misión para edificar una sólida red de miembros y compañeros sean bendecidos por la presencia constante de experiencias impulsadas por la educación. No dejes que esta misión se quede corta en todo lo que puede ser orar, estudiar, aprovechar las bendiciones del don de lenguas y Dios bendecirá tus esfuerzos con éxito aquí y después de tu misión. Tú eres el amo de tu futuro siempre y cuando sigas las impresiones del Señor.
This is Lesson 17, EnglishConnect 1, Lesson 17.1. We're trying to get subtitles here to you so you can read what I'm saying, how I say it. We'll start here. Lesson 17, food. Where do you like to eat? If you don't understand what I just said, play that again. Look at those subtitles. Where do you like to eat? Where do you like to eat? Okay, the objectives, the word is objectives. I will learn to say where I like to eat. I will learn to order a meal. I will learn to ask and say where someone likes to eat. Now I'm going to read it normally. You can go back and play that. Look at those subtitles. I will learn to say where I like to eat. I will learn to order a meal. I will learn to ask and say where someone likes to eat. There's the new vocabulary. This is all in the front. Most of this will be in the front, some of it won't. I think there's in the vocabulary list that comes at the beginning of number 1, whenever we do a video, that's going to be there to help you anticipate what's coming up. Okay, so here we go. Learn new vocabulary. Sandwich, salad, soup, pasta, pizza, hamburger, drink, dessert. Okay? Mostly. Dessert. That's what dessert looks like. We already did these a little bit ago. Let me go back to 1. Hamburger, pasta. I don't know why it's on plate. It stands like that, but anyhow, pasta. Okay, memorize grammar and target phrases. Now, I'd like to order. This is so simple. This is so basic because when you do order something, you're not going to get just that question to you. What would you like? You're going to get, if it's a juice or if it's water, a drink, you're going to get many different options. You're going to get the size, a small or large or a medium. So small, medium, large drink. You're going to get what flavor you want. You're going to be told where the service counter is. You might have to go and get it yourself. So that's kind of the drink thing. Or if you want to know if there's refills, can you get another one? So anyhow, there's going to be more to these I'd like to order things. But I'd like to order soup. I'd like to order pasta. And it gets you started, but what kind of soup, what type of soup, etc. I'd like to order a sandwich. I'd like to order a hamburger. I'd like to order a salad. I'd like to order a drink. I'd like to order a pizza. I'd like to order a dessert. Now, there are times when you'll make the order and they'll still be standing there. You're thinking, what else do I need to say? And you have to say, that's all. If you say, that's all, that's everything. They'll ask that too. I'm hungry. Do you want to get lunch? Here's our conversation. Conversation. I'm hungry. Do you want to get lunch? Sure, that sounds good. Where do you like to eat? I like to eat at the cafe. The sandwiches are delicious. Okay, let's go. Repeat that. Just go over it again and again. Can I take your order? Can I take your order? I'd like to order a sandwich and a drink, please. Okay, anything else? No, thank you. Now, that'll get you a basic, but chances are they're going to ask more questions than that, and that's going to confuse you. So go over this, okay? Okay, we're going to do the R. We're going to do the R and L. Pronunciation principle, the letters R and L. R, read, ready, real, drink, grapes, strawberry, raspberry, breakfast, orange, carrot, like. This is L now. We jumped into L. Like, learn, please, salad, delicious, lunch, broccoli, will, apple, boil. Okay, all L's. And this fellow, I'll play just a little bit of it, but what food is Colton talking about? What colors is this food usually? Here are the answers. Pineapple, tomatoes, yellow with red stripes. So what food is Colton talking about? Pineapple, tomatoes. What colors is this food usually? Yellow with red stripes. So there's some kind of a fruit out there, a food called pineapple tomatoes.
I guess I would consider myself, a restaurateur.
No, you can't really.
I started out as a back waiter, and then
I don't have the big set up for
moved to the illustrious salad.
We'll go ahead and push on. Okay, life and teachings of Jesus Christ. Read the scriptures in English and in your native language. Think about the discussion questions. Write down your thoughts. Be prepared to share your thoughts with your partner. Okay? And they did impart of their substance, every man according to that which he had, to the poor, and the needy, and the sick, and the afflicted. And they did not wear costly apparel, yet they were neat and comely. That's Alma 1:27. In times and seasons. A member of the church is to feed the hungry, to clothe the naked, to provide for the widow, to dry up the tear of the orphan, to comfort the afflicted, whether in this church or in any other, or in no church at all, wherever he finds them. What they're trying to explain, this was in 1842. Look at that. 15th of March, 1842. That's when they were teaching. Our job is to be conscious of the plight of other people. And we do that through offerings. We're going to talk about that in a minute. But I want to say something about that. Christ was of that nature. That was his character. You don't have to go overboard. But that's the job. That's what we do. That's how we help. Okay? That's how we give to the faith. How do members of the Church of Jesus Christ obey this commandment to feed the hungry? One of the things we do is we give fast offerings. Other people, they have food service type programs where they, like here at our church, in this little branch that I'm in Tizapan, Mexico, we have a meal every Sunday. And the other day I had a little miracle about it today, or last Sunday, yesterday. But I won't get into that now. Have you or someone near you had an experience with feeding the hungry? Well, that's me. I just told you. Okay? All right. That will be stop sharing. EnglishConnect 1, lesson 17.3. The sound is pronunciation. Lesson 17 is on CH. Okay? Let's see how they're going to teach it. That's church there. So we're going to do that's probably one of the words. CH. Study the chart. Whenever you have a chart, you want to study it. What they're saying is there's complexity. It's difficult to move between one group of study to another group of study to another group. So this isn't just conversation. This isn't just vocabulary. This is pronunciation. Okay? So that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to help you understand pronunciation. Child, lunch, chair, watch, stretch, kitchen. It's subtle, but it's practice. I'm going to say them again. Hopefully you're going to repeat them again and you're going to read the subtitles. Okay? Go ahead and say now. We'll go ahead. Next one. This will be a short one. This is where you guys. Okay, this is listening to them. You're not going to hear them very well because I don't have the big unit. I have a great big TV over there generally, but I do not have it today. So all of lesson 17 will be just me. Okay, child, lunch, chair, watch, stretch, kitchen. Let me see what that sounds like now.
Child.
Yeah, you're not going to hear that. I've got the volume all the way up 100%. It's not going to happen. But anyhow, we'll go on. Okay, here's another. Chich comes after a short vowel sound. Okay, it makes the same sound as ch. Child, watch, lunch, stretch, chair, kitchen. So it's the same ch, ch, ch. Ch makes one sound. Okay? Listen to, then answer the question. Does the word have a ch sound? That's church. Yes. I'll do a couple of these for you. Does the word have a ch sound? Cheer. Yes. Does the word have a ch sound? Store. No. Okay, I'm not going to do any more, but that's what this section is about. Okay, and then we'll go to this other one, back to this one, and well, that'll be it. There's where to do it. Okay, this is EnglishConnect 1, lesson 17.4, food conversation class. Okay, these are always the extra exercises. You got the little small class, but then you have all these, and that's what the English tutorial is all about, is to give you the opportunity to study this level. Okay, so let's go ahead and start. Sandwich, okay, let's fix that. Review the vocabulary, discuss any words you do not understand. Okay? All right, here we go. Sandwich, salad, soup, pasta, pizza, hamburger, drink, dessert. I'm going to do it again, but you should be doing it again also. You rewind, review the video on your cell phone. Sandwich, salad, soup, pasta, pizza, hamburger, drink, dessert. Okay? Conversation, here it goes. Review the conversation. Discuss any words or phrases you do not understand. So you'll say the conversation. If you don't understand them, you say them. You'll do them again. And some of these things you just wrote. You just memorize it on your own. I'm hungry. Do you want to get lunch? Sure, that sounds good. Where do you like to eat? I like to eat at the cafe. The sandwiches are delicious. Okay, let's go. Can I take your order? That's conversation 2. Can I take your order? I'd like to order a sandwich and a drink, please. Okay, anything else? No, thank you. Let's go back up here. I'm hungry. Do you want to get lunch? Do you want to go get lunch? Sure, that sounds good. Where do you like to eat? I like to eat at the cafe. The sandwiches are delicious. Okay, let's go. Can I take your order? I'd like to order a sandwich and a drink, please. Okay, anything else? No, thank you. So there's your conversation for that section. Now we're going to do a little more. Feel confident using the sentence pattern and new vocabulary in a highly structured activity. So this is the activity, okay? Instructions. Work in a group of 3 people. Make a conversation following the pattern below. Try to remember what your classmates say. Switch roles so each person takes a turn being A, B, and C. If time permits, switch groups. Rob, I like to eat at Cho's. Where do you like to eat? Amy, Rob likes to eat at Cho's. I like to eat at Sonic. Where do you like to eat? Dan, Rob likes to eat at Cho's. Amy likes to eat at Sonic. I like to eat at Nana's. Where do you like to eat? I like to eat at my wife's. Where do you like to eat? Sam likes to eat at McDonald's. I like to eat at my wife's. Where do you like to eat? Jan likes to eat at Applebee's. Sam likes to eat at McDonald's. I like to eat at my wife's. Where do you like to eat? See how we covered all those? Okay, now we go to this one. English, right here. Create your own questions and answers using the sentence pattern and new vocabulary. Work with a partner. Use conversation 1 through this lesson as a pattern. Partner A starts a conversation. Instead of saying the cafe and sandwiches in the third line, partner A says the name of a local restaurant that serves the food shown in the picture. For example, I like to eat at Guru's. The soup is delicious. Switch roles. So there's different types of food, different types of locations where you can buy these foods. You just go through this procedure here, these instructions. Okay? Okay, activity 2, English. Have a natural, meaningful conversation using the sentence pattern and new vocabulary. Work with a partner. Use conversation 2 from this lesson as a pattern. B looks at the pictures below and chooses 3 things to order. Partner A starts a conversation and asks, "Can I take your order?" Partner B, "I'd like to order a sandwich, a salad, and a drink, please." That's good. That's good. That's a good interchange of what we've been learning. Replace the underlined words with your own words. Partner A repeats the order back. Switch roles. Okay? Partner B, order back. You're going to order one of these items. Let's see. You got a drink, you got a salad, you have a pizza, you have a sandwich, you have a hamburger, you have soup, you have another type of salad, you have a fruit salad, I guess. Okay? Now you have a gospel discussion. Share your thoughts with the group. The group should be, whoever you're working with, they should be expecting this. They should sign off. They can sign off if they want on a Zoom meeting. Say, I don't like that part of it. I'm not here for the faith side. We are here for the faith side. This is a picture of Joseph Smith in the early years of translation of the Book of Mormon. Or maybe he's reading the Bible, which is where he got his inclination. Okay? Talk with your partner. How confident do you feel about each objective? Then discuss 3 things you still need to practice. Okay? And that will be it for this.